Let me explain something important. Most Amazon sellers think ads are just a way to get quick sales. They're wrong. Ads are not just traffic tools. They are momentum builders. This is what I call the Amazon ads flywheel. And once you understand it, everything changes. Step 1. You don't start with just one campaign. You launch both automatic campaigns and manual campaigns. Inside manual, you use all three match types. Broad to explore, phrase to refine, exact to control. Broadcasting gives Amazon room to discover new search terms. Phrase gives you structure, exact gives you precision. You are collecting data, not guessing. Step 2. You let the campaigns run long enough to collect meaningful data. Then you download the sponsored product search term report. Now you're looking for three things: high impressions, strong click-through rate, and actual sales. These are your winning keywords. This is where most sellers fail. They don't analyze properly. They either panic too early or they ignore the numbers. You must trust the data. Step 3. When you find a new winning search term, you migrate it. Move it into a new manual exact campaign. Now you isolate it. Now you give it proper bid control. Now you can push it. This is called keyword migration. And this is where profitability starts becoming predictable. Step 4. You remove the losers. If a keyword is spending money but the ACOS is too high, lower the bid. If it still doesn't convert while staying within a good ACOS range, pause it or add it as a negative exact or negative phrase. I explain this in detail in my book. You are cutting waste. Every dollar saved from bad traffic is a dollar you can reinvest into winners. Step 5. Now comes the acceleration. Increase bids for top of search placement on your proven converting keywords. Why? Because visibility drives velocity. Velocity drives sales. Sales improve your bestseller rank, and BSR improve more organic rank. Step 6. Now the real flywheel effect starts. Better BSR means better organic visibility. Better organic visibility means more organic sales. Now your total advertising cost of sales, TACOs, improves. You are no longer depending only on paid traffic. Ads are lifting your organic performance. This is the compounding effect. And here's the final step. You don't stop. You repeat the process. Explore, extract winners, move to exact, kill losers, boost top of search, increase BSR, grow organic sales, then optimize again. Each cycle makes the flywheel spin faster. And when it spins fast enough, profitability becomes scalable. Remember this, ads don't just bring sales, they build momentum. And momentum is how you win on Amazon. If you want the full framework explained in detail, from setup to advanced optimization, check out my book, Mastering Amazon Sponsored Products Ads. Maximize profits and reach the right audience. Available now on Amazon.com. For more advanced strategies and detailed breakdowns, visit NordicGrinder.com and make sure you subscribe. I regularly share practical Amazon optimization tactics, growth strategies, and much more.